caves are some of the most fascinating natural wonders on Earth. They are formed over millions of years and are often home to unique ecosystems and geological formations. Some of the biggest caves in the world are so large that they are like underground cathedrals. In this video we will explore the top 5 biggest caves on Earth. Number 1. Clearwater Cave System, Malaysia. The Clearwater Cave System is a massive, interconnected cave system that is located in Gunung Mulu National Park, Sarawak, Malaysia. It's believed to be one of the biggest caves in the world by volume and currently is the 9th longest cave in the world. With its combined length of up to 236.796 kilometers, Clearwater Cave, discovered in 1978, was the system's first major component. Having been explored to a length of 51 kilometers across many excursions from 1978 to 1984. A modest expedition connected Cave of the Winds in Clearwater in 1988, and uncovered the 24 kilometers long Blackrock Cave, which was connected to Clearwater in 1991. In the same year, another 15 kilometers of route were constructed to Clearwater Cave, but the main move would have to wait another 12 years, until 2003. When White Rock Cave was discovered to the north of Blackrock. Initially, it was assumed that the new discovery would rapidly join Blackrock, and while it did, White Rock also ran wild into the mountain, stretching 101 kilometers across 8 excursions in 2005, 2007, 2009, 2011, 2013, 2015, 2017, and 2018. White Rock Cave is now the most important part of the Clearwater system. Number 2. Lechuguilla Cave, New Mexico, USA. Lechuguilla is the 8th longest cave in the world that has been explored with a total length of 242 kilometers. It's also the 2nd deepest cave in the continent of America, reaching 489 meters deep. It's most famous for its peculiar geology, unique formations, and excellent condition. Until 1986, Lechuguilla Cave was regarded as a minor historical monument in the park's wilderness. A mining claim filed in 1914 allowed for the extraction of small amounts of bat guano from the entrance passageways for a year. A 27-meter entrance pit led to 122 meters of dry, dead-end tunnels in the old cave. After mining activity halted, the cave was rarely visited. In the 1950s, though, cavers heard wind howling up from the cave's rubble-choked floor. Despite the lack of a clear path, several people came to the conclusion that cave passages lie beneath the rubble. In 1984, a group of Colorado potholders obtained National Park Service authorization to begin digging. On May 26, 1986, a breakthrough into huge walking corridors was made. What followed was some of the most thrilling cave exploring the world has ever seen, in one of the world's most beautiful caves. As said above, it became one of the world's most impressive cave systems. Number 3. Wind Cave, South Dakota, USA. The cave is noteworthy for its boxwork calcite formations as well as its frostwork. It is home to over 95% of the world's discovered boxwork formations. The cave is known as the world's densest cave system, with the largest channel volume per cubic mile. Wind Tunnel is the 3rd longest cave in the United States and the 7th longest subterranean in the world, image from Wikipedia. Besides the spectacular interior of the system, the exterior is no less mesmerizing. Above the ground, it includes the biggest existing natural mixed grass prairie in the United States. With such astounding scenery and tourism potentials, it was the first cave to be named a national park in the world when President Theodore Roosevelt established it on January 3, 1903. The coinage of its name is interesting as well. You could say that it's called the Wind Cave because, well, it's windy. But why it's windy is the interesting part. For such an extensive and deep-reaching cave system, it has few entrances, resulting in the constant flow of air into and out of the case to equalize the atmospheric pressure of the cave, and the outside air causing a breathing phenomenon, which to us is strong wind flow, hence the name. Number 4. Shuanghedong Cave Network, China. One of the largest yet one of the most mysterious cave systems on the planet, Shuanghedong Cave Network is a cave system full of surprises. Located in Guizhou province, literally in the middle of mainland China, the cave is as secluded as it is enormous. Till this day, there have been only more than 20 expeditions into the cave by France and Japan since 1987. Further expeditions have been met with difficulties due to both geographical and political reasons. What is certain, however, is that there's so much more to explore. As evident by the recent change in its ranking on the list of world's longest cave systems by Statista, where it moved from rank 6th in 2018 to rank 5th in 2020, which indicates that the uncharted territory of the cave is vast. Number 5. Optimistic Cave, Ukraine. Located in Ukraine, the Optimistic Cave is currently the 5th largest cave on Earth, with approximately 230 kilometers of passageways that have been mapped. It's the longest cave in Eurasia alone and the 5th longest cave in the world. The cave's name actually means optimistic. The reason behind this is, when it was first discovered in 1965, experts didn't expect it to exceed 3 kilometers in length or depth. However, optimistic members of Cyclop Club, who originally discovered the cave, set up further expeditions. Therefore, after no less than 170 expeditions, the cave is now the longest gypsum cave in the world. That's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe so you won't be missing any new updates from us. And press the bell icon for notifications every time we upload a new video. Goodbye.